Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this yoga stretch to relieve neck tension. Take a seat in a cross-legged position, crossing your legs at your shins, and spin your inner thighs down. Lengthen your spine and relax your shoulders. Lengthen your arms down, fingertips are on the ground, and slightly look over towards your right. Your chin is by your right collarbone. Take a deep breath in. With your right hand, hold on to the back of your head, then breathe out. And gently bring your chin down towards your right collarbone for a neck stretch. And keep your breath flowing. Notice where you feel the stretch. Relax everything else like your jaw, your forehead. Keep breathing and keep releasing any tension. Nice, and then slowly release. Bring your head back up and lengthen your right arm out to the side with your right hand flexed, as if you're pushing against a wall or giving somebody the hand. Then look over your left shoulder. And again, notice where you feel the stretch. Keep breathing. Turn your face back to center and now take a deep breath in. Exhale, left ear towards your left shoulder. Notice where you feel the stretch. And release any tension you feel and let it go with each time you exhale. One final breath. Then slowly bring your head back to center. Cross your right arm over towards your left side. Hook your left arm under and over, holding on to your right arm. Breathe into your shoulder stretch. Keep everything else that you don't need relaxed. Soften the muscles around your eyes. Slightly part your teeth. As you breathe in, feel your upper body, your upper back, the space in between your shoulder blades expanding. As you breathe out, feel the relaxation in your muscles. Well done, and release. We'll do the next stretch on the other side. Bring your arms out to the sides. Right fingertips are on the ground. Slightly look over to your left. With your left hand, hold on to the back of your head and bring your chin down towards your left collarbone. So there's just a gentle neck stretch. Keep breathing. And keep releasing any tension you feel in your neck area. Gently holding onto your head, no need to pull your head down. The weight of your left hand is enough. And take one final breath. And release. Bring your head back up. And lengthen your left arm out to the side, as if you're giving somebody the hand. Flexing your left hand. Look over your right shoulder. Hold and breathe. Let your exhales help you relax any tense spots. And then turn your face back to center. Deep breath in. Exhale, right ear towards your right shoulder. Keep your arm where it is. Keep your left arm extended. And notice where you feel the stretch. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your cheeks. Take your final breath. And bring your head back to center. Now go for the shoulder stretch. Cross your left arm over towards your right side. Hook your right arm over your left arm. And breathe into your left shoulder blade. Keep your breath flowing. Nicely done. Take one more deep breath and then release. Bring your arms down. And then also change the cross of your legs, so place the other foot in front and hold on to your knees. As you breathe in, bring your chin up, look up. Breathe out, lower your chin down. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. 2 more. Breathe in, lift your chin up. Breathe out, lower your chin down. Last one. Breathe in, bring your chin up, and breathe out. Chin to your chest, hold it here, and take a few deep breaths. Breathe into the back of your neck. And then follow up with a few neck rolls. Gently roll your head to your right side. Half circle back to your left side. So we're not doing full neck rolls just to protect your neck. We're just doing half circles going from right to left, back and forth in your own pace. As you're releasing any tension with these neck rolls, this also helps to increase the oxygen flow to your brain. And slowly bring your chin back to center. And then bring your head back up. The final neck stretch is to release neck tension as a result from sticking your head forward. For example, when you work on a computer or text on your phone a lot. It's also known as text neck. So take your index and middle finger, gently press against your chin, and lengthen the back of your neck so you're creating a double chin. And you can use your other hand behind your head. Feel that length in your neck. And then release your hands. Feel that length in the back of your neck. Now bring your chin slightly forward and back. Forward and back. Kind of like a chicken head. Forward and back. Forward and back. And then keep it back and release. Nicely done. Then let's finish our practice together. Bring your arms out to the sides with your palms facing up. Take a big belly breath in through your nose. Circle your arms up. Gather all the love, light, and positive energy. Breathe out. Unite your palms, drawing your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. Acknowledge and thank yourself for taking this time to do your yoga practice. It's my wish that this is a blessing to you, and thank you so much for practicing with me. From my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat.